Hi, my name is Paris Alexandra.
And I'm Alicia Ferguson.
We're the founders of BK Yoga Club, and this is Good Moves with Well+Good. Today we're going to do some beginners yoga, and we're also going to use some blocks. If you have a block or if you have a book, whatever you have, any props that you have, feel free to use them today. We're going to start on our bottoms. Are you ready?
I'm excited.
Okay, so come into a comfortable seat, whatever that looks like for you. You can have your legs lengthened out in front of you, cross your legs again. Really listen to your body, honor where you are. I'm gonna invite you now to just bring your shoulders up and back, closing your eyes, connecting with your breath. Let's take a collective inhale through the nose and exhale out the mouth, let it out. Again, inhale. And exhale. Take a moment to notice your breath, bringing that awareness into your body, connecting with the present moment, and connecting to whatever you need today throughout your practice. So if you need to take a moment for yourself or you need to shift to a different variation, you're invited to do that. Let's take one more inhale, breathe in what you need. And exhale, let it out. Gently begin to flutter the eyes open. Inhale, reach the arms up and over. Soften the shoulders, lengthen through the fingertips. Exhale, place the right hand down and then stretch over on the right side. Open up your heart space here. Maybe look towards your ceiling. Notice the beauty around you. Inhale, reaching up, come back to center. Exhale, left hand down. Reaching over the left side, open up the heart, breathe, and continue to do this on your own breath, staying connected to your flow, to your natural rhythm. So many times we see so many different variations of yoga, but you get to do what makes sense for your body. Breathe, inhale, exhale. Inhale, come back to center. Soften the shoulders, lengthen through the fingertips. That's right. Take that right hand, cross it over the left, reaching forward, stretch, 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 and then drop your head. Notice that it looks different. Alicia, maybe stretch a little bit forward. I'm gonna stay right here. Closing the eyes, connecting, breathing. Slowly roll up vertebra by vertebra. Inhale, reach, opposite crossover, left hand over right, and drop the head. Breathe. We'll just be here for a moment. If you notice any noises, just reconnect with your breath, reconnect with your flow. Drop the head maybe. And slowly begin to roll up vertebra by vertebra. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, we're gonna place the right hand down. Bring the left hand over the right knee. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, twist, looking over in the direction of your shoulder. Breathe. Inhale, lengthen, feel that stretch. Exhale, twist. Breathe. Inhale, come back to center, reaching up. Exhale, place the left hand down, right hand over the left knee. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist, looking over your left shoulder. Beautiful. Creating space. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Inhale, come back to center. We're gonna come to a tabletop, placing your hands over your shoulders, pressing your palms down into the mat. Really activate your arms, connect with your foundation. Inhale, extend the chest forward. Exhale, scoop the belly, curve the spine. This is our cat and cow. Inhale, and continue to do, again, what feels right. So Alicia would probably gonna do some interesting movements over there, a little more intuitive. And I'm just gonna be normal. There she goes. Exhale, breathe. Really warming up our spines. Connecting with our beginner's mindset. And we can always begin again, right? So if you haven't practiced, This is perfect flow for you, or if you're new to the practice. And exhale, come back to center with a neutral spine. You're gonna send your hands forward towards the top of your mat. Widen your legs. Okay, and send those hips back. And just notice if you have a little belly in between, just allow yourself to rest, to embrace this moment here. Maybe dropping the head down towards the mat. Breathe, inhale. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. And again, each moment we get to choose, we get to begin again, creating that beginner's mindset. Inhale, come back to our tabletop. If you have a block, totally cool. If you don't, totally fine. Blocks are really fun to support more softening in the wrists. And so I'll be using some blocks today. Okay, we're gonna do cat and cow again. So inhale, extend the chest forward. Anytime you wanna do cat and cow, feel free. Exhale, curve the spine. Inhale, come to a neutral spine. We're gonna curl our toes under. Send your hips up and back. Weight's going towards the heels. So again, these blocks are really awesome because they can provide more softening of the wrist, more cushion. And just go ahead and bend your knees from left to right. Right to left. Breathing here. And on your next inhale, you're gonna walk your feet to meet your hands, coming into your forward fold, allowing your head to hang, sway from side to side. Breathe and connect. And when you're ready, come back to center, and then slightly bend your knees, really root down into your feet, and slowly begin to roll up vertebra by vertebra. Take your time. Shoulders, chest, and chin. And we'll come to our standing pose. Inhale, reach the arms up and over. Exhale, bring your hands to heart center, connecting with your breath. Breathe, inhale through the nose. Exhale. Opening the eyes, reaching the arms up and over. And then exhale, you're gonna swan dive over. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine. You can come to a plank or come onto your knees, whatever you prefer. From here, I'm gonna push back, curl my toes under, downward facing dog. Again, your version of yoga is what makes sense for you, or whatever you want to do in your body. Breathe here. Inhale, come back to your tabletop. We're going to send our left leg forward. Bend into the front knee and bring your blocks towards the top of the mat, if you have them. And go ahead and just breathe into the stretch. Just make sure your knee's not going over your ankle here. Your ankle. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale, we're gonna lengthen the front leg, flex the toes, come up to stand on your knee, bring your shoulders up and back, lengthen through the crown of the head, open up the heart space, leading with the chest, come forward. Beautiful. When you're ready, feel free to drop your head here. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. And you always have an option when we're doing high lunge to come onto your knees to modify. That's always a choice here. Your knees are your friend, hopefully. But everybody can't be Megan, so. Exhale, bend into the front knee, and then walk your hands in between the front foot. Walk your left foot towards the edge of the mat. And then plant your hands down onto your blocks or the mat, and then step the front leg back, coming into your downward facing dog. Beautiful. Breathe here, inhale. Exhale, tabletop. Step the right leg forward, top of the mat, bend into the front knee. Beautiful. What do we do next, Alicia?
I don't know. I'm getting intuitive with you.
Beautiful. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, come to stand on your left knee, lengthen the front leg, flex the toes, bring your shoulders up and back, leading with the chest, come forward, and release your head down when you're ready. Breathe, inhale, exhale. Just noticing all the sensations in your body. Breathe. Give yourself time to get in and out of these poses. And exhale, bend into the front knee. Bring your block on the inside. Walk your foot towards the edge of the mat. Plant the hands. And when you're ready, step back. We'll meet in downward dog, however you get there. If you'd like to take a vinyasa like Alicia is going to do, you can feel free to do that as well. Breathe here, inhale. Exhale. There she goes. And then on your next inhale, you're gonna step the left leg forward, bend into the front knee. This time we're gonna come into high lunge, but feel free to stay in low lunge if you'd like. Reaching the arms up, high lunge. Breathe, bend into that front knee. Inhale. Exhale, make any adjustments here. And then you're gonna place your right hand down to a block or the mat. And exhale, open up on the left side here. Breathe, inhale, exhale. And release the left hand down in between the left foot, bending into the front knee still. This is our runner stretch. Feel free to drop the knee if you'd like. Again, listen to your body. Breathe, inhale, exhale. I'm gonna step my front foot back to a plank. From plank, downward facing dog. Breathe here. Inhale, exhale, right leg forward, bend into the front knee, frame the foot, root down into the front foot, high lunge. Beautiful. Inhale, exhale. Softening the shoulders again. Exhale. When you're ready, place the left hand down to your mat or block and open up on the left side. Reaching those fingertips up. Breathe, inhale. Exhale. And when you're ready, plant the hands in between the front foot. Walk your right foot over towards the edge. Runner's lunge. Breathe, inhale. Get ready. We're gonna do it. We're gonna step back into our plank. From plank, downward facing dog. Breathe, inhale. Exhale, let it out. Okay, again, inhale. Don't judge your breath. Exhale, let it out. Okay, yep. And then we're gonna come back to our knees and then bring your knees as wide as the mat. Send the hips back. Coming into child's pose again. Breathe here, inhale, exhale. You can use your blocks and really stretch forward. You can do different variations as you see Alicia. Just honor wherever you are, honor what you need. Breathe. Some days you might need a little more intensity, and some days you might need to slow down. Inhale, come back to tabletop. From tabletop, downward facing dog. Downward facing dog, high lunge, left foot forward. Bend into the front knee, take your time. Breathe. Exhale. Windmill the arms down. Come into your version of Vinyasa. We'll meet in downward facing dog. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Right leg forward. High lunge. Exhale. Windmill the arms down to your Vinyasa. Meeting in down dog. Breathe here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, step or hop to the top of your mat. We'll meet in forward fold. Breathe. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, reach the arms up and over. Bring your hands through to heart center. Connect with your breath. Connect with the sensations in your body. Breathe, inhale. Exhale, come back to the room, opening the eyes. Inhale, reaching the arms up and over. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, you can come to tabletop or plank, meeting in your vinyasa, and we'll meet in downward facing dog. Breathe, inhale. Exhale. Inhale, tabletop. Exhale, child's pose. Inhale, tabletop. Exhale, coming back to our bottom where we started. Got it? How you doing? She's such a beginner. Okay, inhale, reach the arms up and over. Exhale, bring them to the side. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, place the right hand down and open up on the right side. Feel that stretch, feel the difference between when you started and now when we're closing. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, left hand down, side stretch to the left. Open the heart, open the chest, looking towards your wall. Breathe. Inhale, come back to center. Lengthen, lengthen, lengthen. Right hand down, left arm over the right knee. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Observe any differences, any sensations. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Inhale, reaching arms up and over. Exhale, left hand down, right hand over left knee. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Really wringing ourselves out from the inside out. Breathe. And we'll come back to center. Reach, reach, reach your arms up and over. We're going to bring our hands through to heart center. Maybe finding a gaze or closing your eyes. And we're going to close out our practice with 3 breaths. Take a deep inhale through the nose. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. And place both hands over your heart. And you can say this affirmation to yourself if you'd like. I choose to begin again. I choose to begin again. Gently bring your hands at heart center and bow. Thank you so much for sharing this practice with us today. For more flows like this, definitely subscribe to Well and Good. Thank you.